Hi, my name is BeardedTinker and welcome to the Mail Day, episode number 3. This episode was filmed back to back with the episode 2 because I had a lot of packages, so it was time to open them up. Let's get cracking with the first package. I need new Scalpel, definitely. Okay. Anyone knows what this is? This is a special tape. It's non-conductive. It has very good thermal specification, meaning that it can stand a lot of heat, and it's used for electronics to cover them up in tape so you don't get any contact between the components if they're close one to another. I need this one for future electronics project. I'm doing a couple of boards, so I need this to protect them. Okay.
This is listing for the Kapton tape or heat-resistant polymer tape. I bought 10mm, 1 centimeter wide. The cost was $1.49 and it included free shipping. I think that goods arrived in around 3 weeks. The shop is Summer Repair, 97.5 positive feedback, and as far as I've seen, more or less they have good reviews, except for those reviews that are negative. Most of those negative are because parcels haven't arrived. My suggestion, if you want to go with more secure shipping, always select some other shipping that has tracking, for example China Post. But on the other hand, to pay $4 for the shipping for the item that costs $1.50, it's your call.
I really need a new Scalpel. Oh, and here is a new Scalpel. Here we have surgical blades. There are various tips for those blades. I've chosen blades, hard to open. I think there are 10 of them here. Yeah, there are 10. So I've chosen blades like this because they are great for cutting. I've never used blade like this. I think that it goes something like, wrong side. Something like this. Maybe those are surgical blades and handles. Okay, here they go. And they should be, whoa, they are very sharp. As I said, I needed a new blade, and this was easiest to do. Just buy some surgical blades, and we have no more problems with cutting our packages.
And here's the listing for this great surgical blade I bought. As you can see, there are a couple of types of blade tips depending on what you need. I went for the blade tip number 23 with the handle. The cost of it was $1.55 and it was free shipping to Croatia. Shipping for the China Post would cost around $3.50. So once again, depending on the cost of the item you are buying, you may or may not go for shipping with the tracking option. Seller was Tool. Okay. It has a great review, and I definitely will be buying extra blade tips for this blade because I love it. It really cuts great, and if surgeons do use it, I can use it for opening packages.
Let's open this one. Whoa, it really cuts nicely. Okay. Once more. Okay. This is not what I ordered. Unfortunately, this is not what I ordered. I'll have to put claim on this one. I ordered Y cable. I think it was male to 2 females, male in and 2 females coming out, for Ender 3 power supply. So I can take power from the Ender 3 power supply and split it between the Ender 3 electronic boards and the buck converter powering my Raspberry Pi.
This is the listing of the item I wanted to receive and I ordered, but unfortunately I didn't receive. In the meantime, I have contacted a seller. He promised me to send a new one, then later informed me that unfortunately he's out of stock, so he will give me a refund. Price of this item is $2.19 with a free shipping with China Post. It did arrive very quickly. I must say that the communication with the seller was great. I must also stress this out. I have never ever before ordered anything from this store. Maybe in the future I will order something to try and see if I was just unlucky this once or if this is happening regularly, unfortunately. But now I have to go and find another seller for this item.
I hope we'll be in luck with this one. I know what this is. I bought it because I saw it. I think they were cool. So, these are 6 pieces black gloves. Why did I buy them? I have no idea. But they're kinda cool, and I think in future when I work with electronics or something, or maybe when I handle my steel sheet springboard with PAI on it, I will maybe handle it with this, because yeah, you get finger smudges on all over the board and it doesn't stick there very well.
AliExpress listing for the gloves I ordered. They come in 3 pairs or 6 pieces lot. I ordered large size. Never ordered anything before from this store, GMG. I love the gloves, but on the other hand they're just gloves, nothing special. I will try some other gloves because I believe that you can get larger packages for even a lower cost, but probably not from this material.
And the last package I have is something I ordered a long time ago. I was in no hurry because I have this but old one. This is a new one. I have analog. This is digital. So let's open it. Let's open it and see what it is. Whoa, this really is sharp. And this is caliper. A new caliper. I'm still using the old caliper. Wow! I've seen a lot of reviews on the internet about them, and people say that the screens are smudged, scratched, and this really is no exception. It looks like it was used for a long time. Okay, I have to also get battery in. I don't have it with me here. I have to find it. Okay. Let's see if at least it's straight. It does look straight, but I do have to say that there are a lot of scratches on it here. Wheels here are loose, but they do work. Okay, and it looks like at least it's straight. Okay, we have to put batteries in and see how it works, but I hope it works. Okay, we will see. Well, doesn't matter. At least I still have my old, I think 40, 50, 60-year-old caliper, all metal caliper, working great. So I wanted to have a digital one. I didn't want to spend too much money on it because I really do not use it that much, but when I do some designing in 3D for custom things, it's easier to work with digital than with analog, at least for me, since my eyesight is going down. Okay.
And this is AliExpress listing for the digital caliper. I have ordered one with the box. The cost was a little bit less. When I ordered it, it was about $10.50 with the free shipping. It did really arrive very quickly, I must say that. But unfortunately, since I filmed this opening of the package, I've already inserted the battery, and now I'm even less sure if I did make a bad or just extremely bad purchase. Disclaimer first, I did really insert a very old battery I had lying around the house. It was unpacked, but the battery was probably 2 or maybe even more years old. It did start, the screen did turn on, so that was great. I tried changing from the millimeters to inches. It did work great. The 0 button did work great, but on-off button really doesn't do anything. But when I try to use caliper and measure size of the object or diameter, I get very strange readings. The readings first go normally, then they start jumping from minus to plus, meaning that you go, for example, 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter, 3, and so on. And then on 10 millimeters you stop and the numbers just start jumping from minus 33 to plus 44, then go back to 10 millimeters. So I have to buy a new battery and test it once again, but somehow I'm not really sure that this item will play well, and I don't believe I will get any kind of refund or anything for it. Thank you for watching Mail Day episode 3 with the Bearded Tinker. I hope you enjoyed it. Unfortunately, not all items I got this time played nicely, but then again, when you order from AliExpress, you do get some rotten eggs. If you like this video, please press like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell button so you get notified on the future video uploads. And I will be seeing you in 2 weeks in new Mail Day if I get enough packages to open up. Thank you very much, have fun, and I see you later. Bye bye.